This is an introduction to scripts in Illustrator. Scripts are just little pieces of code that programmers write that you can add to Illustrator and use them to do things that Illustrator doesn't already do. So I have one here that I'm just going to demonstrate really quickly. So I've got a bunch of little leaves there, and what I want to do is color them. So I've selected the leaves, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm bookend selecting here. So I've colored them green, but if I hold down the shift key and I sort of select all of these swatches here, we'll see how this random color script works. So I just need to go up to the File menu and down to Scripts. And then here is the script that I have installed. And when I release, it automatically colors the art randomly. So it's doing that using the selection that I created earlier. So it's a very simple script. It doesn't even have a panel that you can control, but I'll show you how we can install these scripts. First, go to the website where the script lives, and hopefully it's got some documentation that tells you a little bit about it and what it's compatible with. This doesn't say that it's compatible with CC, but we're going to find out. This was recommended to me by someone, and it looks like it's going to work for us. But this is something that you want to be careful about. We are installing a little bit of code here into the Illustrator Applications folder, and so it's good to get scripts from reliable people, people who you trust, who have recommended them, and that sort of thing. So, but always proceed with caution. All right, so I'm going to click here to download this. It's a JSX file, and when we look here inside of the zip folder here, it's got the JavaScript file itself and some instructions in text files. All right, so I'm going to click here to download that, and then I'm going to get out my downloads folder. So I'm doing this off screen here. Let's look at the directory path here. So I'm in my Finder. If you're on a PC, you have another way of getting to this, but go to your Applications folder, then look for Adobe Illustrator 2023 or whatever the current version that you're using is. So go to that folder there, and inside of that, you'll see a folder here called Presets. Inside of this, you'll make sure that you choose your language, and then here is the scripts folder. And when I open this, you can see these are some of the scripts that I had in the menu in Illustrator when I did that demonstration. So all I'm doing is going out to my downloads folder here and just dragging into the scripts folder. And I'm going to have to type in my password because this is something that you're kind of altering something in your system that's a little bit more than just dragging and dropping. And there it is. Now in Illustrator, under the File menu, this is where you can find those scripts, but we don't see ours here, and that's because we have to restart Illustrator first. So let's go ahead and do that. Restart Illustrator. So back in Illustrator, go to the File menu and down to Scripts. And one thing I want to show you here is at the bottom, we have this choice, Other Script. So this allows you to just go out to another folder on your system and just run a script from there. So if you wanted to try this script out from your downloads folder before you go ahead and install it in Illustrator, you can use this option here. But here is the script I just installed. This is called Make Crop Marks AI. So I'm just going to turn this on by releasing on it. And this one is a little bit more complex. It has a nice interface here. So first I'm going to click Default, and it's just going to add crop marks to this artboard. As you can see, I have artboards set here, and then I get to customize everything about these. So if I want these to be 1 inch long, and maybe I want them to have, an 1/8 of an inch outside of the artboard, let me copy that and paste that here. Inches is good. Stroke weight 1 point. Fine for this, but you can change this to anything, and you can group after. Let's see if this will group them. Marks only. Okay, let's give it a try. Click OK. And there they are, custom crop marks around my artboard, and they are grouped. And they are also in the registration swatch. So let me get the stroke active, and we can see that's registration. There's the swatch that's applied to those strokes, which means it's going to be on every plate. All right, so that's how you use scripts in Adobe Illustrator. Hope you enjoy working with them. My name is Laura Coyle. I teach Adobe Illustrator here on YouTube and in my online learning community. Find out more at my website, lauracoylecreative.com, And be sure to join my email list. You'll receive a welcome gift and helpful Illustrator tips delivered right to your inbox. And thanks for watching.